so you will blend them nicely. And do not afraid of to blending it because they're thick density, and it's gonna be really perfect for flat back 3Ds, charm and chain. So can I get some papers, please? Foxy. And then we're going to the no wipe top coat. I opened that, so then. Oh, thank you, Foxy. I love them both too, like in a matte. I think in both side of it. Somehow my brushes get things on it. I love them both. Even matte. Mika said, laugh out loud. Said he want the matte, and I'll do it himself. Really cool. Let's see what we can do with. I think I might. Can you get me some star right there? I just dump whole entire tray and swear with you, it's never. I could not do anything for whole entire videos without spilling anything. What are you doing?
I gave you a star.
No, he threw at me this. This is a starfish. I want
a star?
No, I want star. Here you threw at me. Sorry, everyone is so goofy. He just threw at me. He thought that he was get the bonus. Say yeah. I said, what are you doing at me? He said, I'll give you a star. But then you give me a starfish like this right here. I need the proper star. What the star it is? No,
Fish.
That's a star. No, I need the star, the extra star though.
Well, play with that. I think it's...
No, it's another tray right there.
Yeah.
Can you grab this one? Oh yeah, I guess I spill it. It's okay. No, I'm not, but I'm waiting for you to throw some star for me. So I'm gonna place the crystal along with the star. You know, be honest, the glitter is so powerful of a lot of crystals. So I have to use this crystal to get it. It's like, do you get another star for me? No star?
Not regular star.
You get this one.
Can you help us play with it a bit? I think maybe about
It's really pretty. It's hard to sing it because they're so sparkle. I have my little blue ocean right here. Hopefully you can see it there. I know, I was like talking earlier, I said maybe I'm not doing crystal placement, but I want to miss it. And now I'm so happy that everybody is requesting it. So everybody out there, I don't know how it's just stated, but our state is just the cases rising up. It's crazy. Please be safe out there. And be careful. Wash your hands all the time. It's just keys.
Yeah, how about this?
I love that, but I will see. Because we have such a really beautiful...
Oh, actually, no. The color look right. You don't need it anymore.
So beautiful. It's just like... you feel like... No, it's hard to explain now what it looks like.
Looks like firework. We shoot it up. Cross sky. Everything's blasting out in really nice color.
It's hard to believe it. July 4th is gonna be here before we know it, like next week already. Very cute right there. And I'm gonna just pick the smallest crystal on earth, and I'm gonna place them between my star.
Ooh, Lyra, I just imagine you singing in Katy Perry voice right now.
Katy Perry.
Mm-hmm.
I love Katy Perry.
Yep, Lyra's go for it.
I think I want red instead of.
Yeah. Don't post me too much lyric now. I might start singing, and then next thing gonna kill me.
Yeah. You're not allowed to sing around me because he absolutely abused my ears so bad.
But you know what? Like every time we drive a car, say like a road trip or something, I need to stay awake. So I just tell them, hey, I need to turn on some music and I'm gonna sing. And they're gonna listen to me for like an hour.
No, I put the headphone on. So I'm gonna move this one. You can get this one right there so then it won't catching on the edges. Good. I think it's now it's just so sparkle. Hey, I feel like something missing is on the middle of the star. Maybe I can find the smallest crystal on earth to put it in there. It's so beautiful. Just want to show you this. You have to see it in person though.
Mm-hmm.
They are. Let me put that star. Okay. If you want some beads on it, you can spread the beads on. I think it looks super cute. Lots going on. But you get, okay, let me cue this and we can compare that one versus this, right? This is extra. This is like super extra.
Give her 16. Let's go.